GLP-1, the science behind Wegovy's weight loss power. GLP-1, or glucagon-like peptide 1, is a natural hormone released by your gut after meals, but its benefits extend far beyond digestion. In your brain, GLP-1 reduces appetite and enhances the feeling of fullness, helping you eat less without feeling deprived. GLP-1 slows down how quickly your stomach empties, so you stay full longer and avoid frequent cravings. It also boosts insulin secretion from your pancreas and protects insulin-producing cells, supporting healthier blood sugar levels. GLP-1 helps reduce the amount of sugar your liver makes, preventing unwanted spikes in blood glucose. It improves insulin sensitivity in muscle cells, so your body can use sugar more efficiently for energy. In the heart, GLP-1 helps lower blood pressure and may support better heart function, offering protection for your cardiovascular system. By working across multiple systems, GLP-1 helps regulate blood sugar, reduce hunger, and support your heart health. That's why it's the key ingredient in Wegovy, a powerful FDA-approved treatment designed specifically for long-term weight loss. Curious if Wegovy is right for you? Talk to a licensed provider today